morning breaks with colors, painting the sky so wide. With you here beside me, there's nothing left to hide. We're stepping into moments where everything feels right. In the light of our days, we're shining so bright. We're wandering through the gardens where the flowers greet the sun. Every smile you give me feels like the day's begun. The world around us sparkles with joy in every way. In the light of our days, we find love each day. In the light of our days, we're free to be. With every step we take, we're where we're meant to be. No shadows in sight, just the warmth we share. In the light of our days, love is in the air. In the light of our days, we're wandering through the gardens where the flowers greet the sun. Every smile you give me feels like the day's begun. The world around us sparkles with joy in every way. In the light of our days, love is in the air. In the light of our days, we're free to be. With every step we take, we're where we're meant to be. No shadows in sight, just the warmth we share. In the light of our days, love is in the air. In the light of our days, we're free to be. With every step we take, we're where we're meant to be. No shadows in sight, just the warmth we share. In the light of our days, love is in the air. Every laugh, every touch makes the world so clear. With you I feel alive, there's nothing to fear. We'll hold on to this light, let it guide our way. In the light of our days, together we'll stay. In the light of our days makes the world so clear. With you I feel alive, there's nothing to fear. We'll hold on to this light, let it guide our way. In the light of our days, together we'll stay. In the light of our days, we're free to be. With every step we take, we're where we're meant to be. No shadows in sight, just the warmth we share. In the light of our days, love is in the air. We're living hearts so free. In the light of our days, it's you and me. Together we'll shine with love so true. And in the light of our days, I'm here with you. On the hill, the grass grows tall. A distant voice, I hear you call. Every leaf a soft reply as the clouds begin to fly. No more waiting, here we stand. Open sky, just take my hand. Every step a story told, a future yet to unfold. Awaken, the world is turning. A heart that's full of dreams, still yearning. No need to rush, we found our way. In the quiet, we'll seize the day. Shadows stretch, the night is near, but I'm not afraid, I've got you here. In the quiet, love will bloom underneath the rising moon. No more waiting, here we stand. but I'm not afraid. I've got you here. In the quiet, love will bloom underneath the rising moon. No, and every dawn a brand new star, every whisper beating heart will write our tale, no end in sight. In the stillness we'll find the light. Awaken, the world is turning, a heart that's full of dreams still yearning. No need to rush, we found our way. In the quiet, we'll seize the day. Ooh, we'll seize the day. Ton parfum vit dans mes rideaux, il s'accroche comme les mots que tu n'as pas osé poser, mais que je sens sans te chercher. Parfum discret, presque rien, mais il revient chaque matin dans le café, dans la lumière, tu flottes encore dans l'air. Parfum discret, presque rien, mais il revient chaque matin dans le café, dans la lumière, tu flottes encore dans l'air. Je nettoie tout, mais il revient comme ton absence dans mes mains. Je ne cherche plus à comprendre, je le respire pour t'entendre. Les souvenirs ne font pas mal quand ils dansent de façon si pâle. C'est toi sans être tout à fait, mais ça me plaît. Parfum discret, presque rien, mais il revient chaque matin dans le café, dans la lumière, tu flottes encore dans l'air. On s'est trouvé par accident entre deux vagues, deux instants. Ta voix douce comme le miel et mes doutes qui s'ensorcellent. Rivage sucré, peau dorée, tout devient simplicité. Ton regard, mon ancrage dans ce tendre paysage. Un vent léger light. The world's baked in color, soft and jade. I take a deep breath as the cool breeze flows. In the quiet evening where the calmness grows. Street lights flicker on, casting a gentle glow. I stroll along the pathways where the flowers grow. In the company of twilight and the night's embrace, I find tranquility in this peaceful place. Evening stroll where the day drifts away. In the twilight's calm I find my way. Every step I take, every gentle breeze brings a sense of calm and gentle ease. The day's chatter fades and the world seems still. I listen to the night and its tranquil thrill. In the soft glow of the stars and the moon's light, I find a quiet comfort in the fall of night. Evening stroll where the day drifts away. In the twilight's calm I find my way. Every step I take, every gentle breeze brings a sense of calm and gentle ease. When the night is over and the day begins anew, I'll remember the calm of the evening's view. In the quiet moments and the peaceful sights, I find a solace that lasts through the nights. Evening stroll where the day drifts away. In the twilight's calm I find my way. Every step I take, every gentle breeze brings a sense of calm and gentle ease. As the night ends and the stars dim low, I'll carry the peace of the evening's glow. In the quiet of the night and the day's first light, I hold on to the calm of the evening's night.